Now, to be fair, let's talk about what TikTok is arguing because they're fighting this hard. TikTok says the plaintiffs are too late. Discovery in this case closed April 4th, 2025. The plaintiffs didn't ask for Eugenia's specific documents until May 29th, almost 2 months after the deadline. TikTok argues, quote, the court should enforce the fact that discovery deadline and deny plaintiffs' untimely request for new discovery. Nearly 2 months after the close of fact discovery, plaintiffs made an entirely new and untimely discovery demand. They're basically arguing that the plaintiffs knew about Eugenia long before the discovery closed, which we knew. They questioned witnesses about her in depositions back in February. If they wanted more documents about her, they should have asked back then, and they absolutely should have. But potentially the catalyst of the Mother's Day incident gave them a little bit more weight because prior to that, she was just another person on the platform doing what they do. They continue to argue the collapse on May 23rd and her office visit don't justify reopening discovery because those events happened after the relevant time period for the case in April. Basically, TikTok is saying the lawsuit is about what happened up to April. So stuff that happened in May doesn't count, right? And quote, plaintiffs concede they already received detailed documents and deposition discovery regarding Ms. Cooney and have likely been aware of her presence on the TikTok platform and others since the initiation of this litigation. TikTok already produced over 300 documents about Eugenia in response to earlier requests. They argue that they've complied with discovery and the plaintiffs are just trying to get more stuff they're not entitled to. Which is, I mean, kind of fair. We have discovery cutoffs for a reason, but are these circumstances different? And here's where TikTok gets a little gross, honestly. They accuse the plaintiffs of exploiting Eugenia. Can you, I mean, hello, pot, I am kettle. Quote, plaintiffs in poor taste have needlessly included selective images of Ms. Cooney without context to claim relevance, thereby exploiting someone they maintain has a, quote, obvious condition. They're basically saying, how dare you use images of this sick woman to make your case? While simultaneously arguing that her illness is irrelevant to whether their platform causes harm. It's like you pick a side, pick a lane, TikTok. You can't do both of those.